Captain Scott's ill-fated band, after reaching the South Pole, was struggling through the cold and storms back towards safety. The strength of Evans, one of the men, became exhausted. He had done his best, vainly. Now he did not wish to imperil his companions, already sorely tried. At a halting place, therefore, he left them, and, staggering out into a blizzard, perished alone. It was a failure, yes, but was it not also magnificent success? Here's to the men who lose. What though their work be e'er so nobly planned, and watched with zealous care, no glorious halo crowns their efforts grand. Contempt is failure's share. Here's to the men who lose. If triumph's easy smile our struggles greet, courage is easy then. The king is he who, after fierce defeat, can up and fight again. Here's to the men who lose. The ready plaudits of a fawning world ring sweet in victor's ears. The vanquished's banners never are unfurled. For them there sound no cheers. Here's to the men who lose. The touchstone of true worth is not success. There is a higher test. Though fate may darkly frown, onward to press, and bravely do one's best. Here's to the men who lose. It is the vanquished's praise that I sing, and this is the toast I choose. A hard-fought failure is a noble thing. Here's to the men who lose.